Hi friends, Stephanie from Live Beyond the Map. Last week when I last posted, we had just come out of a pretty precarious situation, a high wind situation coming into the Salt Flats outside of Salt Lake City. We're here visiting friends, or friends and family. We made it fine. We're okay. I probably should have said, hey, FYI, we're all good. Made it here the next day, but I didn't. This is a lot of what happens, at least for us for right now. Maybe we'll get a little better at planning or coordinating, but we're often early for check-in at wherever we're staying for the week. So we just found a Target that had a huge open parking lot, so we're here shopping. And of course, we got to kill some time. Many of you know that we work and travel full time, and often we do our exploring after work hours. So, wanted to share with you a few things we've been able to do. Uh, If you follow us or know us at all, you know that we typically like to stay in state parks, and there wasn't one available for us in this area, so we went with a park or a resort that we found on a YouTube channel, which was a really great review. I am very grateful if I can find the YouTube review that we watched it on. I'll go back and tag it so you can see it as well. But we're at Riverside RV Resort, and it is very nice.